and welcome to London Kitchen. In today's video, we're making a smoothie for a healthy, guilt-free breakfast. Come, let's see the ingredients. Here are all the ingredients. First, I have chopped half a banana, the riper the better. Next, I have half cup of blueberries, 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. If you don't have Greek yogurt, then you can use normal yogurt. I've taken Greek yogurt here because it has more protein content in it. Next, I have half a tablespoon of chia seeds and ground flax seeds. Then, I have 25 grams of protein powder. You can use this if you want for additional nutrients. Next is half a cup of frozen strawberries, and finally, oat milk, or you could use any milk of your choice. I have used this whey protein powder here from PhD. I will link this in the description box below, but you could use any protein powder of your choice. Now let's see how to make this healthy and absolutely delicious smoothie. First, I'm adding a splash of oat milk, but of course you could add more if you want. Next, I'm adding the frozen strawberries and blending until well combined. Once it's blended to this consistency, add the blueberries and banana. Once the blueberries and the banana has been added, blend once again. Now add the yogurt, the seeds, and finally the protein powder. And blend again. The smoothie has been blended well and now ready to be transferred to a drinking glass. To make it nice and presentable, I have added chia seeds and mint leaves. Our healthy and refreshing smoothie is ready to be served. If you like this video, subscribe to London Kitchen. Thank you for watching.